so today we are back with some more Jurassic World the game. And yeah, we have some new stuff. There's been an update. And yeah, I like it. We got the hatch. We got Mr. Lemnoskelis. Here he is. Let's place him. And we got another Argentiosaurus. Or maybe it's Argentiosaurus. I don't know the right name. You guys can comment them down below, okay? Just in case I'm not wrong. Okay? Guys, come on. Just comment down below. If you even know the right name. Okay. Then we have another pack to open. DNA, cash, food. Alright. Perfect. Okay. We've completed some missions already. These daily missions. Okay. 1 PvP or nothing, 2 dinosaurs and Nova and 1. No, pet 1 creature. What's this? Oh, clicked. Oh, even that. What is Sarcosuchus DNA? Monolophosaurus DNA? Velociraptor DNA? Sarcosuchus DNA? What are the DNAs for? Okay. I don't know what the DNAs are for. Well, I'll just feed these. They are Gigantosaurus or Gigantosaurus. I don't know. I'm just gonna say Gigantosaurus, alright? And I'm gonna feed him. And level him up. If you know what my mission is. I hope you do. Because my mission is pretty clear. Okay, let's pet him. Now feed him. I just don't have any more. Okay, so I petted him. I feed him. What are your mission? Have 2 decorations? Dude, shut up. Up 2 creatures to level. He's level 20. He's level 20. He's level 30. He's. Oh my god. Okay, well, I will have him. But first, we're gonna go to get. Go on along. Alright. We're gonna put in Lemnoskelis. We're gonna put in Gigantiosaurus. And then, of course, the Majungasaur. Alright, now let's start this game up. Okay. So now, it's gonna start any minute now, right? Yeah, thank you. Okay. So he has go on along. I'm gonna go ahead and reverse. Okay, what's he gonna do? Dino swap? Oh, you just dino swapped, huh? Think you're smarter than me? Well, I dino swap either. Argentiosaurus comes in. Goes for 2 reverses. And this guy has 3. What will he do? What will he do? Ooh, suspicious. I'm gonna go like this. Yep. Yeah. I think he's gonna go for 5. He's definitely gonna go for 5. He ain't? What? I did not see that coming. Oh, gee. Oh, my Jesus. He has 6. What will he do now? Dino swaps? We're now 5? He goes for... Okay. I guess we're playing smart here, huh? So we're playing smart here, huh? Okay, got you. We're playing smart. Alright. Okay. You have 7. You're definitely gonna go for 7. I'm sure. He swaps. Okay, now he's definitely gonna go for 6. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Goes for 6. There goes my Lemnoskelis. Now we have the Argentiosaurus, so he has 0 now. So we're gonna go like 2 attacks kills him. and then 2 blocks. And boom! You're dead. Okay, so now 2 attacks kills our Gigantosaurus. So he's probably gonna go for 4. He does not, he goes for 1, okay. Now what I'm gonna do here is gonna go 4 versus and 4 attacks. And yeah, boom, there we go. Now what he's gonna do is go for 2. I'm pretty sure, or go for 5, I don't know. He goes for 4, okay. So we're not playing smart here. He has 1 reverse, I'm pretty sure, or block, I don't know. I'm gonna call out a block. So, to go for 3 then. And like this, I'm gonna go, this is how I'm going, alright? Yeah, okay. Koanalon goes down. We get Mr. Triceratops. Okay. He goes for 4. Damn! So we have a 6, and we go for a total of 6. There we are. We win. That is right. We did it. We get some DNA, and we get Goanalong. Hatch him right up. 22 minutes. Okay. We're gonna go in a PvP, if you know what Okay, that was really, really stupid. But hey, let's see this. I have Mr. level 30 Triceratops, a Lanqua level 14, a Lemnosceles. Ooh, we have some rare dinosaurs? Damn! Okay, so what? Oh, Jesus, he has 50? And he's level 2? Bro, this is fucked up. Damn, like, that's a lot of damage. Why did you do that much damage, bro? Okay, what's he gonna do now? Is he gonna go for 2? I don't know. Oh, he did go for 2. Okay. Okay. So he has 85. Okay, so 3 kills him. Okay. Now we have Tapijara. Okay, so we have Tapijara. Alright. What would he do? He dino swaps to the Carnotaurus? Okay, so he swaps into the Carnotaurus. Goes for 2. Gets Mr. Triceratops out. Okay, we have a Lanqua now. Okay. So Lanqua kills Carnotaurus with 3 attacks. Okay. Now here is Tapijara. So now, what's Tapijara gonna do? He goes for 3. Oh, Jesus. Now this is really freaked up. This is legit. Okay, I'm gonna go for 4 reverses and hope he doesn't attack. Hope he doesn't attack. Just hope he doesn't attack. Will he not attack? Will he not attack? He attacked. Well, my first time losing. Oh, he's laying down. That was my first time losing. I can't believe it. At least I completed the mission. We done that. Now we get the daily pack. Let's open it. What do we got? DNA, coins, cash, coins. Alright. Okay, you know what? I have another idea. Mobison, please. How does that not complete. Have to decorations. Decorations? Just complete your mission. Thank God. Thank God. I thought I said like buildings. I thought like decorations. Bro, are you serious? What's your mission? Pet a herbivore by tapping on it. Okay, yeah. There we go. What else? Collect 15 loyalty points. Well, for that you need a pack. Dude, I don't care, you stupid VIP. Alright, so let's just watch an ad. Okay, so the pack is ready. DNA, Bucks, DNA, and a Tropigantas. Okay. Mission completed. Okay. Alright, so we're level 8. Look at these new stuff. Mystery pack. 10, food. Oh my god, and some 15 loyalty points. Let's expand, if you know what I mean. Okay, we got that new thing. Whatever that is, a road? Ooh. Mobison, you're annoying me. I'm serious, you stupid fucking Mobison. Damn, like, what the fuck? Dude, no, get out. Can I not put it here? Down, this takes a lot of space. I'm gonna put it over here. Feed a herbivore 5 times. I don't think I can feed him 5 times. I didn't feed him 5 times. Okay, level up. Yeah. Yep, already know that. Yep. Okay, so at least we have a... Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what the freak? Oh ho ho ho. This looks awesome. No. Let's start this. And I don't know about you guys, but I think we should do a montage. Nice. I can't believe it. It has 1% of health? What the freak? Okay, fast mode is really fast. Okay, let's get to another montage, if you know what I mean. Let's get to the montage. Alright, so we got the pack. Food. Okay, so yeah. And we got some 130 loyalty points. Okay, legit. Awesome. Now let's just boom. There we go, mission accomplished. Collect that. Who else can beat to level 20? You. Come on. Okay, there we go, mission completed. Episode, I don't know, because I just skipped it. Okay, I don't have time for this. So yeah, guys, bye! See you in the next video, episode 5 of Jurassic World. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye-bye!